Hi, my name's Justin Hill and I create videos showing you how you can make a little bit of extra money online using apps on the computer, using web browsers and things like that. Typically you would get PayPal payments, vouchers, gift cards, crypto and things like that. If you'd like to support the channel, a thumbs up, hit like. It all helps motivate me and keep me going to keep creating these videos for you so that you can earn a little bit of extra money. Today's app is called Bituro. Right, so Bituro, let's go and open it up. This is a good app. I'm going to go to the bits that I mainly use. We go over all of it, but there's some bits that work really well. Play games and earn points, this bit here. Now, if any of you have seen my video on the current music app, again, I'll put a link to that in the description below, then they have a similar bit on their app whereby you literally, it looks the same. You go into it, you download these games, and you earn points per minute played. Now, the only suggestion I can give is don't always go for the low points. See, these are low points. If you leave it for a bit, if you have to, if none of these other apps are working anymore, then by all means download them. But otherwise, if you leave it, for a couple of days, sometimes some of these apps will jump up to a higher amount, like 30 points a minute or 50 points a minute. But basically, you click on one, you download it. Just for this demonstration, I'll do it. Let's download this app. So you just literally click play now. It's going to take you to the Play Store and we are going to install it. Just wait for it to download. It's nice and peaceful at the moment. Kids are in bed, wife's at work. Nothing, no noise at all, which makes it perfect for doing a video like this. And what you do is I'll literally just open it up and you can leave it running. What I tend to do is I'll just load a game up before I go to bed. I've got a couple of spare phones. You're not limited by how many phones you use, just put it on all your phones. Just make sure you use a separate account. Otherwise it messes it up. I used the same account and it messed it up a little bit. It's now got confused between two of my phones and it messed it up. So make sure each phone that you use has a completely separate account. So let's open it. Let the game actually. Now, in my experience, you don't have to actually play the games. So like I say, I could leave that running overnight like this, and that'll be fine. Obviously, for this video, I'm not gonna leave it running too long. I'm going to bore you too much. So just leave it run long enough for a minute to kick in. And what I'll try and do is maybe I'll do this. I was going to upload it direct to YouTube, but maybe I'll do it via the Mac and iMovie and speed this bit up. There you go. There's the points that have been earned. And you can go to your history. And there's my history of points. 181, 186, 181. And the app, King of Avalon. So yeah, I'll literally just leave it running. Just leave it running. Right. Now, what other ways are there? Let's have a look. Home. So that's one way. That's, to me, be honest, I think that's the best way. I love doing that because I can just leave it running and it'll keep earning. Create a survey profile. I'm not, for people that follow me, they'll know that I'm not a lover of surveys. You can make okay money with surveys, I guess, but I hate filling out a big survey to only find out that I'm not suited to that survey, and then you've wasted that 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it is. I want something that's more passive. So like with the games, I just spend the time setting it up, open up the game, leave it running. It's pretty passive. I'm only setting the game up once. For every couple of hours I might swap it around to a different game. But for me, that's pretty passive. I'm not doing a lot. I don't want to have to complete out surveys, but by all means, you can. If you don't mind doing surveys, then you got all of these surveys down here. There's a lot of them. I have done these ones before, this company. On another video of mine, I can't remember what the video is now. Again, I'll put it in the description below, but there's another app that I use where that one's on there, and that still normally pays out even if you don't get accepted. That's usually not a bad one. So you got surveys. Again, not a lover of surveys, but each their own. You may not have an issue with them. You got tasks, so you can watch videos and earn points. There's no video for now, so there's no video for me to watch at all. So there's no videos for me to watch to earn from. We've already done the play games. And then you got these. These are quite common. You'd have seen these on other apps, I'm sure. The typical sort of, install a game like Rise of Kingdoms. Play Rise of Kingdoms and users only. So you play it for a certain amount of time, and then you'll get that number of points. Reach commander level in this game, and then you get that. Club Vegas, install and complete level 80. So if you can get to level 80, you get that many. So you have to get to a certain level on some of these. Some of these might just be to download and install, open and use the app for a few minutes, +8. I mean, it's not a lot. I can't be bothered for that. Install, sign up and keep the app for 3 days, new users only. So, there's all sorts on there that you could do. Just to boost your points and your money. Install. It's basically to get you to install the app and play the app, or reach a certain level, play the game, and the like. So that's that one. Complete tasks and earn points. It'd be a similar sort of thing. What's this? Yeah. Alright, there's obviously something wrong there. Something gone wrong on that on my phone. It's massive, isn't it? Massive. Warpath Android. So it's a lot like the other one that we were just looking at, but it's obviously a different company that provides these ones. Install game and finish level 11. You get that many points. Walking Dead, Road Survival. Open the app and make an in-app purchase. They're trying to entice you to purchase to get points. No point doing that. Deposit £200 stroke euro, obviously different amounts, but 200 GBP, so pounds, and you get that many points, and that's in Bitcoin Trader and things like that. I certainly wouldn't spend money to get the points, but there's these as an option, not one that I'm particularly interested in, because again, like I've said before, I want passive. I want to just leave a game running and earn some points and then cash it out. Right, so that's that one. Again, same sort of thing, but different company that runs it. Complete tasks and earn points. So you're getting the theme here. It's all the same sort of thing. A lot of the apps will be similar apps on each one as well. App Karma, first time using the store and reach 950 points, you get that many. So there's not many on this one. I'm not a lover of these, I'll be honest. Again, I just want it passive. I want it nice and easy. And then you've got your play one here. Bitcoin price statistics, CoinDesk. Show ads. So then it'll show an ad. Right, come off there. Right, I'm on CoinDesk. Gone to CoinDesk, gone to CoinDesk. I'm on CoinDesk. And I'm coming off CoinDesk. You have earned in this session, see it going up here, see this bit here? Points will be randomly rewarded while you are playing this page. So again, I've not pushed this app, so this is just I guess video 1 where I'm just showing you how you can earn a little bit of passive income on there, or if you don't want to be passive, you can do the other ways of earning. But whenever I've got an app, I do like to try and push the max out of it and get as much as you can from it. So I may do a version 2 of the video when I've had a chance to spend a long time looking at it. Let's go down here. So you've got all sorts of stuff here that you can go on. You can earn a few little points here and there. It's not a massive amount, is it? Let's go back. What's popular? That just shows you a list of what people are using to earn points and how many they're getting, I guess. Oh look, I'm there. That's what I just done. Let's go and see if it pays. I've not done it yet. I've not attempted it. Obviously, I'll have to delete the video if it doesn't pay, because I only show videos that pay. Right, let's go to wallet. Is it wallet I need to go to? No. So it shows me when I joined. As you can see, it was recent. Right, let's go to shop. Now there are various payout options. Start at the bottom, work our way up. Most of them are US only. So Target gift card, US only. Starbucks gift card, US only. Google Play gift card, US only. Amazon gift card, US only, which is fine because they do have PayPal, which is all countries, and they also have Bitcoin, which is all countries where Bitcoin is legal. I'm going to do it as PayPal. Got enough money in crypto at the moment. So 3,315 points is equal to $3.32. Do you want to deposit into your PayPal account? Continue. I don't know how instant this is. Let's put my email address in, then convert now. Converting. I don't know how instant it is. Use purchase gift safely. Please check your wallet. New purchase items are locked for 24 hours to protect from fraud. This item is expected to be unlocked around 13th for the 1st, 2021, 2057. So at 8:57 tomorrow, I should be able to get that reward. It will get sent to me. So I guess I'm not going to release this video tonight. I'm going to have to do part 2 and merge the two together. So the next time you see me will be me showing that I have that money. Hopefully. Otherwise you won't be seeing the video at all. So yeah, that's it for now then. I will magically have that money on show in my PayPal now. I have the payment. Well, I've received an email. Let's have a look. I haven't opened it yet. It popped up. There you go. Let's just refresh it. See, it's genuine. There you go. Bituro here. Let's send 3.32 USD. Let's click on it. There you go. There's the PayPal. And there you go. 3.32 USD. There's the transaction. There's all the details. So there you go, there's my payment. So there's the proof of payment. So yeah, I think I'm gonna spend a bit of time playing with this app a little bit and just see how much I can push it on my different phones and tablets, and yeah, just see how much I can get out of it. So yeah, that's good. That's a paying app. So yeah, if you like content like this, if you could give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I release videos like this where you can make some easy money. Anyway, that's it for now. Take care. Peace.